show a step-by-step process of how to check in online at the aa.com website for an upcoming flight. If you have any further questions, please visit American Airlines official website. Type aa.com to enter the American Airlines website. From the home page, click on My Trips/check-in. In the required fields, enter your first name, last name, and record locator, which is your 6-digit letter numerical number. Click on Find Your Trip to locate your reservation. If all information is correct, you'll be able to pull out your reservation. Verify that all information is correct. It is important to verify the information on your reservation before you proceed further with your check-in process. First, check the departing and arrival destinations, cities. After that, check the date on which the flight occurs. And last, check the departure and arrival times. It is wise to set travel alerts for each flight in case of delays, gate changes, and the like. American Airlines give you such option, which is now standard for most major and low-cost airlines. Click on Get Alerts for this flight. Please note that you have to set up alerts for each leg of the flight. In our case, we will set up alerts for each departing and returning flight separately. In the Open Dialog box, choose the type of alerts. aa.com gives you two options: departure reminder and arrival updates. Choose how do you want to receive the alerts, via text or email. You can set up both email and text if you wish to do so. We recommend text as it is the fastest way. It also not dependent on internet connection to read emails. Follow the menu prompts and click Save when done. Click Close on the next screen to repeat the same procedure for your returning flight. After alerts is completed, let us take a look at what other options we have. We can check in if our flight is less than 24 hours before departure. We can change our trip, meaning change our flight. Be aware that based on restrictions that apply to your tickets, fees may apply for changing flights. Same-day flight change applies to flight changes on the day of the travel. And then cancel the trip. And last but not least, and probably most important during check-in, is change seats, an option that allows to reserve seats prior to the flight. Note, some airlines now charge a fee for reserving a seat. You can also change or choose seats by going down to your departing and returning flights. Currently, the airline has pre-selected a seat number 29A. Notice the tabs separating each leg of the flight to choose a seat. Seats are also for sale at different prices depending on the cabin class. The selected seat is represented by a circle. If you hover over the seat, you can find more info about it. We did not change our seats as we are satisfied with where they are for the purpose of this video. Of course, if click on other seats, you have to pay the reservation fee indicated for that seat. Now we are ready to check in. Click on Check In. Review the hazardous materials policy and click Continue. On the following screen, we are offered an upgrade option for a fee. We choose not to upgrade. On the following screen, now again we have an option to choose or change our seats as we demonstrated a moment ago. With that last seat option, we are ready to print the boarding pass or have it delivered electronically to an email address or in a text message. It is always wise to have a printed hard copy of your passes while you travel along with the electronic version. Remember, electronics sometimes fail, so having your hard copy will save you a lot of trouble at check-in. You can now go back and choose to have them printed. Notice the printed with no ads option.